last few decades building your career, raising your family, and contributing to a 401k. But if I asked you how you're going to pay yourself in retirement, could you answer confidently? Most Gen Xers can't, and that's more common than you think. Hi, I'm Ikai Sepulveda, founder of Your Financial Genie. I've been helping families make smart retirement decisions since the 1990s. I specialize in guiding Gen X through the confusing stuff no one teaches you, like how to turn your savings into predictable income. If retirement planning feels like a black hole, you're in the right place. Let's talk about what retirement income planning really means, especially for Gen X. For years, the focus has been saving, maxing out your 401k, building that nest egg, and hoping it'll be enough. But here's the twist nobody warns you about. Once the paycheck stops, the question changes. Now it's how do I turn my savings into a steady income that I can live on without running out? This is called the distribution phase, and it plays by totally different rules than the accumulation phase. It's not just about how much you have saved, it's about how and when you use it. This phase is where most mistakes happen. Why? Because most haven't seen a clear roadmap. Our parents had pensions. We've got spreadsheets and stress. But here's the good news. Once you learn how to structure income intentionally, you'll feel in control again. You'll go from hoping to knowing. Now, let's get into the part most people skip, the actual sources of retirement income. Many people approaching retirement are juggling multiple accounts, outdated financial advice, and growing uncertainty about how it all fits together. To bring clarity, I like to use a framework based on three essential income pillars. When combined, they can create a reliable, sustainable income plan for the years ahead. One, Social Security. This is the income that you know is coming, but how much and when you take it makes a huge difference. Now, you can file as early as 62 or as late as 70. And for every year that you wait past your full retirement age, your benefit increases about 8%. But here's the deal. It's not just about the math. It's about strategy. If you're single, divorced, or the higher earner in your household, timing your claim could mean thousands more over your lifetime. I've helped clients increase their projected Social Security by over $100,000 just by adjusting when they filed. And for women especially, who often live longer, this foundational piece must last. Two, creating a private pension. This is the piece most people ignore until a market dip scares them. Back in the day, pensions gave people lifetime income. Most people don't have that anymore, but you can create one. Fixed index annuities, for example, let you protect your principal and create an income stream that can last you for the rest of your life without market risk. This plus Social Security should cover your monthly living expenses, such as housing, food, insurance, etc. This is predictable income, so even if the market goes wild, your lifestyle stays stable. Not everyone needs one, but if you want to sleep at night knowing that you have income that's guaranteed, it's worth exploring. Three, tax efficient withdrawals. This is where people lose money and don't even realize it. A tax efficient withdrawal strategy can help you avoid common pitfalls that cost retirees thousands, such as unnecessary income taxes, having up to 85% of your Social Security benefits taxed, and triggering higher Medicare premiums. It's one of the most overlooked areas of retirement planning, yet it has a major impact on your long-term income. This topic deserves a deeper dive, and we'll cover it in a dedicated video. But for now, just know that when and where you pull money from matters. So once you understand how these three pillars work together, Social Security, private pension, and tax smart withdrawals, you go from guessing to having a strategy. Here's the truth. Most Gen Xers feel like they're behind on their retirement. But the truth is, you're not behind. You're just ready. Ready to stop guessing, ready to stop stressing, ready to finally get a real plan that works for your life, not your parents, not your neighbors. You've spent decades doing everything for everyone else, your job, your kids, your family. Now it's time to do something for you. And the good news, it's not too late. You've still got time to make smart moves that protect your future, reduce taxes, and create income you can count on. If you're just getting started, grab my free Gen X retirement roadmap below. It's packed with simple, practical tips to help you feel more confident about your future.